Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Isian Liana binti Abdullah. My metric number is 17B0134. Today I'm going to present about Kroger Company. This presentation consists 4 parts, which are Part A, Company Background, Part B, External Environment Analysis, Part C, Internal Environment Analysis, and Part D, Conclusion. Part A, Company Background Analysis. Kroger Company was founded by Bernard Kroger in 1883. Their headquarters was at Cincinnati, Ohio. Kroger was a multi-format business, which their major business is supermarket. They have 2,757 supermarket and multi-department store in 35 states. Kroger mission was to be a leader in distribution and merchandising of food, pharmacy, health and personal care items, seasonal merchandise and related product and service. By achieving their objective, we will satisfy our responsibility, share owner, associated, customer, supplier and community we serve. Why? Kroger vision is to create a future where everyone had access to the food they need to thrive anything, anytime and anywhere. There are 9 characteristics of mission statement and 9 components for mission statement. Kroger mission score only 7/9 for characteristic of mission statement, while 5/9 for component of mission statement. Some proposed mission and vision has been made for Kroger that have all the components needed. For proposed mission is to be a leader in distribution and merchandising of food, pharmacy, health and personal care items, seasonal merchandise and related product and service globally. We provide our customer with digital platform that meet their needs whenever and wherever. We are able to profitably grow by satisfying and serving our customer, share owner and responsibility. We are dedicated to supporting all the communities where we operate. All the word in the proposed mission was 64 words. If the number you can see in the slide was mean each component needed in the mission statement. For proposed vision is to be the best distributor and merchant globally that create a future where community has access anything, anytime, anywhere of our product and service. Part B, External Environment Analysis. In the report, Part B was include project financial analysis, competitor analysis, competitive profile metric, and Porter 5 force. For this presentation, I'm only going to present about ratio comparison and Porter 5 force. For the competitor, I have choose Walmart and Target Corporation. Both of the company was focused on the supermarket and grocery. For ratio comparison, there are 13 categories that are going to be compared between Kroger and its competitor. All these ratio comparison were from 2020. As you can see in the table, out of all categories, Kroger hold higher percent for even quick ratio, inventory turnover, fixed asset turnover and total asset turnover. As for Target, they hold higher percent for almost of the category, which are quick ratio, current ratio, gross profit margin, operation profit margin, ROA and ROE. While the Walmart hold higher percent for price earning ratio, EPS and account receivable turnover. Next was Porter 5 force. The table shows the summary of Porter 5 force of Kroger and its competitor. In the table, Kroger and Walmart scored low for trade of new entrant, while Target was moderate. This means Kroger and Walmart can't sense any trade from new player because for them to take a pleasure in high margin was so challenging. The bargaining power of supplier is pressure exerted by supplier on business. For Kroger and Target, their score was low while Walmart was moderate. The excess supply for Kroger unit is due to harsh rain of manufacturing. Kroger rapidly innovating their product which result in increasing market demand. So the bargaining power of buyer for Kroger was high. Same goes for Walmart, while the Target was moderate. All the companies score high for trade of substitute. It was because due to their product and service is easily to copy. There are many rivals that compete with Kroger at the local or international which target the same market. So the rivalry among existing firms for Kroger and Target is high, as for Walmart is moderate since Walmart is already a big firm. Part C was about VRIO analysis. In the table, we have valuable, rare, inimitable, and organized stand for VRIO. We also have competitive implication, economic implication, and financial implication. The table show that Kroger was scored all yes for all 4 resources, while both Walmart and Target got 1 no. Kroger gained sustained advantage, meanwhile the other competitor was temporary advantage for competitive implication. For economic implication and financial implication, all got same with above normal for economic implication and profit for financial implication. As for result, Kroger ranked first in ranking, while the other competitor was tied in second place. The last part was part D, which is conclusion. As we can see in the table, the score was given based on Kroger performance in those parts. The better Kroger in those parts, the higher score it kept. For part A, which is about mission statement, Kroger scored 2 because of their mission is not complete the requirement needed for mission statement. As for part B, Kroger scored 3, which is the highest score due to their good quarter 5, but they still need some improvement in financial. Part C was about VRIO analysis. Kroger also scored the highest in this part because of their VRIO analysis is good enough to gain sustainable advantage. Lastly, as we know that Kroger was a strong brand and their company was well known in retail industry. Kroger also have multi-format business that have variety of product and service. Kroger has a worldwide network and good enough to gain a sustainable advantage.